College dorm rooms can be tricky to navigate. Not only is space limited, but you're sharing it with another person. Normal-sized futons just won't fit, which is why the Dormco mini futon is exactly the piece of furniture you need. Wanting a cozy place to sit and do your homework? Sick of recapping last night's gossip from the floor? The Dormco mini college futon assembles in just minutes by simply screwing the leg posts into place. Once you've done this, you've got the perfect place to sit and chat with your friends. This futon can fit 2 of you, or even 3 if you squeeze. This dorm-sized sofa is made from quality wood with an ultra-soft microfiber fabric. It's spring and steel constructed to hold everyone. The best part is, the mini futon can be moved to various spots in your room. Leave it up as a couch while studying, or fold it down into a bed once it's time to lie down. Sleeping curled up always beats the floor, or even worse, sharing the twin bed. Got a friend coming to visit and no extra bed space? Put the couch down so your guest can sleep comfortably. If your bed is lofted, it can even fit underneath. The Dormco mini college futon is so much better than your hard desk chair. Soon enough, you'll be doing everything from the comfort of this futon.
Bonus footage!
The click-clack mechanisms allow you to switch from seat mode to lounger mode to flat sleep mode. Just move the back half of the couch up until you hear the click. To get to sleep mode, push forward before lying down the back half of the futon.